Hello, everyone, and welcome to Understanding the Universal Tracking Application in the SmartSimple platform. The Universal Tracking Application, or commonly referred to as a UTA, is central to SmartSimple Cloud. It is a highly customizable application within the SmartSimple framework used by organizations to create unique applications to meet their specific needs. This application can be used in a wide variety of ways. In this diagram here, we outline the structure of the UTA. The level 1 entity in the middle can be thought of as the thing being tracked. And so this could be a grant, a meeting, a case, or even a piece of IT equipment. The level 2 activity can be thought of as an activity related to the parent level 1 being tracked. Each level 2 can have its own children in the level 3 sub-activity. And at each level, the object can have its own attributes and unique process flows. You will note that both organizations and contacts can be associated with the level 1 record. This allows for objects to be related appropriately to different organizations or users as required. In this next image, we see the graphical representation of the UTA in this context of grant management. The level 1 in this case is the grant application. Level 2 records could include things like reports, agreements, payments, reviews, site visits, and so on, while level 3s could include the disbursement records or things like watch list scans. A single organization in this case is associated as the recipient organization along with the primary contact. Additional organizations can also be associated as supporting organizations or fiscal sponsors. In the same way, additional contacts can also be associated as people like reviewers, grant writers, and other roles that you have in your system. And finally, to bring SmartSimple Cloud together, multiple UTAs may be joined together using the consumer-provider relationship. In this graphic here, we see the committee manager, which is a UTA that manages the review processes, associated with the submission manager, which is a UTA that houses the applications to be reviewed. And that's how UTAs are used in the SmartSimple platform. For any questions, please email platformsolutions@smartsimple.com. Thank you.